Akiaria ari wabici-inĩ nene cia kiama kia UDA, mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Hassan Omar ni atariirie mibango iria kiama giki kinayo kweheria munini wa president Mũhagũri Gachagua ta munini wa mutongoria wa kiama giki wona cira uria wi igoti-inĩ warĩka.
But as we respect the courts, we will prosecute and wait for the outcome of the court, at whatever time and space. But I am quite certain that the political vehicle or the political situation has moved on. I think in the minds of many of us, I am actually waiting for the new deputy party leader.
Augete gutire hindi kiama kia UDA kingikorwo na nini eri a mutongoria wa kiama kiu, akiongerera ati kwagũrwo gwa Gachagua wabici-inĩ ya munini wa president no kiramuikia nja ya utongoria wa kiama kiu.
I think it's important that he puts these matters to rest. If he wants to go regroup himself and reorganize politically, we wish him the best, as Aaron had said it in the impeachment process. But let us move on.
Augete gutiri undu ungicokia wendo wa kiambiriria uria mari naguo na Gachagua, ngoro ciao riu ciegwe Kindiki.
Absolutely, that would be right. Once Kindiki is sworn in, he will be sworn in, God willing. We are very confident. I speak from my own mind. Which deputy president of which government and of which president and of which parliament and of which party are you going to be of? We've all rejected you resoundingly.
Oho, ni arite andu akirima UDA ndimahiteirie gwika maya mothe. Gachagua niwe umahiteirie ni kumuhe ndeto cia kumathukia meciria.
Wampekue zaidi huyu jamaa Rigiji. Amewaletea toxic narrative. Amewaleta uhasama mkubwa sana. Amewafanya wafikirie wamedhulumika, wakati katika kushirikishwa katika serikali kila mtu amepatiwa nafasi yake. Akaanza hii uhasama, anaweka wenzake katika hali ya shida sana. Anataka kuwapiganisha wenzake na Wakenya kwa maslahi yake.
Kulingana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia UDA Hassan Omar, munini wa president Mũhagũri Gachagua kumana na mitugo yake ndegwitikirio gukorwo agicoka kiama kia UDA eta munini wa mutongoria kiama-inĩ giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma wabici nene cia UDA, njitagwo Jenga Wambui.